Hey y'all, what's up gang? We are back and we are doing some nails with this polygel kit that I found on Amazon. It is the cheapest polygel kit that I found on Amazon. It was $16.99, so we will be going into that and doing a couple nails, testing these things out, everything that came in the kit, so y'all can see if it's worth the buy. So let's get into the video. Hey you guys, so we're gonna be opening this package that I got from Amazon, and it feels really small for it to be everything that I saw online. So let's just see how this comes. I know it has a lamp in there, but y'all, it must be a mini lamp because there's no way a lamp is fitting in here. Top coat. Oh my gosh, I can't get them out. Base coat. A matte coat. Hold on. Oh, okay. So we have top, matte, base. It comes with the nail slip solution. That's good. Poly nail gel. Hold on. Is this? Okay, you guys. So I just went ahead and I swatched all the colors for you because they did not have labels on them. And it was like way too much doing all what I was just doing. So the first one was like this pinkish dark nude color. And the second one was like this, the typical pink that you always see with polygel. The third one was this holographic type sparkly silver. Then we had the clear, the black, and the white. So then it also came with some glitters, you guys. And mind you, glitters on Amazon are like $7, $9. Like they're actually kind of pricey for glitters. So to get that in this package that was $16.99 for everything, that's already taken away like $6, $7. So the rest of this stuff was literally like $10. So it's already a good value, in my opinion. These colors were bomb. Like that gold color right here, y'all, get into it. Get into it. So pretty. The purple, all the colors were super, super, super cute. And here I'm just showing you all the prices of like the glitters that come by itself. So it was already a super good value. Right here, these are the butterfly glitters that they gave you. And these are super, super cute. I might be giving these away in the giveaway because I have so many butterfly glitters and butterfly stickers that I really don't need anymore. But here they gave you some jewels. I was not a fan of these at all. They looked dull, and the only things that I would use were those gold little thingies. And then they gave you some gold flakes, which I have enough of those, so those will definitely be going in the giveaway box as well. They gave you a little pamphlet, a little user manual. We also got a 100/180 file, which is always good to have. And then we got our mini UV LED light, you guys. So it's 24 watts, and I would definitely be testing that out. Then they gave you some dual form nail tips. I've never actually used these at all. Didn't even know like what I was really supposed to do with them. Did not look up a video to see what I was supposed to use with them. So that was my bad, you guys. And then they actually give you a poly brush, and that is just to move the polygel around on the nail when you do them. And then the other side is for like scraping off the polygel to place on the nail from the bottle. So I'm going ahead and I'm going to open up this light. It comes with a USB cord and another user manual to tell you how to work it if you don't know. It's like one button. So that's kind of self-explanatory. I do end up plugging this into my lamp. If you do not have a USB cord or a USB outlet near you, then you'll have to probably get an extension cord because the cord is really, really short. But I end up plugging it up. It was super cute, super compact. You can take it with you. If you are a traveling nail tech, this is great. And it did have settings of 60 seconds or 120 seconds. It does show numbers, but I had to turn down the light for me to even see the numbers. Like, if the light was on, you could not see it. I like barely noticed it. So you guys, let me tell you, I started this video off doing a set for a press-on set for my friend, which turned out completely like a whole disaster, y'all. A whole disaster. But I still wanted to show you guys because I just thought it was super funny how ugly these nails came out. Like, they were so, y'all, they were hit. They were hit. They were so ugly. But right here, I am testing out the Polygel, y'all. So I did test out the Polygel, and it was cute. Like, it was nice. It went on nicely. I just suck with Polygel. Like, I just think I'm not good with Polygel. Like, I don't practice enough with it. Acrylic is my friend. Polygel is like the cousin that I never see. So, yeah, it wasn't flowing. And then I had the nerve, y'all, to try to do an ombre, knowing I don't even know how, like, girl, you trying to do a whole ombre and you don't even know how to work Polygel, like, with it being a solid nail. So why would I even try that, y'all? I don't know. But that's how it came out. It was looking real raggedy, y'all. So anyways, I go ahead and I actually pull out my iGel Beauty Polygel. And I wanted to pull that out because I've used the iGel Beauty Polygel in one of my other videos, and the nails came out super, super, super cute. I will link that video right here for y'all. They were so cute. And so I wanted to compare it to this Polygel that I got. I think, what is the name of it? Opium? I wanted to compare it just to see the movability. Is that a word? And I wanted to see how it moved. I want to see if one was easier to work with. And honestly, you guys, they were pretty much about the same. Like, they were pretty much about the same. That one iGel Beauty, even though it is a little bigger, that one iGel Beauty Polygel costs me, I think, about $3 or $4. You get 6 or 7 polygels in this kit. And the whole kit was $16.99. Now, you guys, this kit on Amazon now is $22.99. I don't know. You know how the prices be fluctuating on Amazon. But anyway, y'all, I just had to show y'all how ugly those were. But yeah, the price is different now. If y'all do check that out, I will still link the link below for y'all. So since those nails were a dub, we are going ahead and we are putting on some Holy Grail Holy Taco. And you guys, if you have not seen any of my videos before, I use this stuff all the time to pop my nails right off. So that's what I did. I put that on, and then I decided to just take this pretty one that I really, really, really wanted to use in the first place, but that was not the set that my friend wanted. So I ended up just doing them on myself because that set came out trash. I'm gonna have to do her set on my own off video when I can concentrate and really do something. But I'm just putting this on the nail, and you guys, I do not know how to apply Polygel with dual forms clearly. So it was all over the place. It was a mess, but I have seen videos where people just clean off the sides. So that's what I went ahead and did. And I cleaned off the sides. I ended up like swiping it underneath just to flatten it out so it wouldn't be bulky underneath. And I did end up curing it in the light. And the light works, you guys. Like, I honestly had no issues with the light. I always cure my gel polishes or nails for about 2 minutes anyway. So the 2 minutes does not bother me. If 2 minutes does bother you and you like to cure your nails for like 30 seconds, 45 seconds, 60 seconds, then this light may not be your friend or the best option for you, because it is 24 watts versus the usual, 48 watts. And I did keep it in for the full time. So it worked for me, but it may not work for you. So you guys, after I cured it, y'all, it was just, tonight was a mess, okay? Tonight was a mess trying to do my nails. I did these nails 3 different ways, y'all. The third way, I finally got it. But this is the second way, and this was not it as well. It completely came off. As you can see, it leaves your nails perfect when it does come off. But the Hola Taco works so good that the nail literally popped right off. So anyway, we're going in with some base coat. We're curing that. And now we're just going to apply the nails as you would if you were doing someone's nails to actually, if they wanted to keep them on. So that's what I did. I said, forget it. Let's just go full blown. Let's ball out. So I went ahead and I put the nails on, and I cured it the same exact way, wiped off the sides the same exact way, wiped underneath the same exact way as I just did. And you guys, I actually ended up loving how the nails ended up coming out. And it literally took me, like, no lie, I don't even think it took me 10 minutes. I think it took me like 8 minutes to do these nails. Like, it didn't take long at all, like at all. And if I was doing somebody else's nails, I feel like it probably would have took 15 minutes. I mean, if you want to add in prep and all that, which I did not for the sake of the video not being too long, then you obviously would, it would probably be like a 30 minute session. But look at that, y'all. Like, look at how cute and pretty that is, and simple. It's so simple, so quick. So I ended up trimming them down because honestly, I didn't even want any nails on my hands at all. But since I had to, the things I go through for y'all, but since I had to, I wanted them as short as they would go. So I ended up cutting them down. And you know, Polygel is super, super, super easy to file. It's super easy to cut down because it's so soft. It's not hard like cement, like acrylic. It's super soft. So you don't need too much filing. You don't need too much shaping. It's like a 1, 2, 3 and go. So these are definitely easy. This is something so easy to do if you are on the go, if you have somewhere to be real quick and you don't want your nails looking raggedy. Like, this is the perfect thing for you, y'all. So anyway, I just go ahead and I do all the nails the same exact way that I did the thumb. Like I said, I am not the best with I really don't work with Polygel at all. I basically just did this video for the sake of, I wanted to give y'all something that's affordable and something that actually worked. And you guys, this is pretty affordable. I mean, even though the price is raised now to $23, I still think that this is a perfect kit for somebody who wants to try out Polygel and you just don't know where to start, because this literally gives you everything. Like, everything that you need is in this one kit. So I definitely do recommend it with the way that the nails ended up coming out. I did really like them. I wish I would have been able to do them on my left hand, because right now I'm obviously using my my non-dominant hand to do these nails. So it wasn't the best that it could have been. It was a little sloppy. It was a little messy. And that's just because I'm not left-handed, you guys. Like, I'm right-handed. So it was not coming out as great as I wanted to. But I was showing you guys just how easy it is for you to do at home by yourself. Even if you don't know how to really do your non-dominant hand, I promise you, it's super easy, super simple. Like, go get the kit. This is not sponsored, y'all. Like, I'm just telling y'all, it came out super easy for me. And it was like so quick. Like, this video is so short. So, well, not too short, but you know, shorter than what my other videos be, y'all. But I'm just going ahead and I'm clipping these down real short, as short as the thumb, and just matching them up. I went ahead and filed them off camera. And yeah, you guys, that was it. Literally, that was it. That was it for the video. I went ahead and put the top coat on. Let me know if y'all are gonna get this, if y'all have any other suggestions or polygels that you use. Did you like this? But yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Bye.